Actually, I belongs to Andhra Pradesh, Narsapuram.
Mm-hmm.
So West Godavari district, one of the district in my state.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I completed a graduation in 2013. After completing my graduation, I worked in Vodafone store. So at that time, state dividing some issues is there. Andhra Telangana dividing purpose.
I I see.
That's why I left my job.
I see.
Then I'm trying to get software field, software job.
Mm-hmm.
My one of the course completed, so I'm trying to attend the interviews.
I
But
see.
my English speaking is problem, so that is the reason.
Mm-hmm.
I followed all the videos in your YouTube channel.
Yes.
I regularly follow you.
Yes. Yes.
You
So
can
when you realize that you need English, when do you realize that you need English?
actually that time my brother he got government job. So in
Yes.
government job, this is not mandatory. So I am trying to decide to government job, but present notification there is no notification.
Mm-hmm.
So
I
and
see.
also present my age is 28.
Yes. I
So
see.
this time already settled, but didn't get any job. So that is one of the reasons.
Are you married, Mr. Ram?
No, no, I
Then
didn't have any
then
job. So
okay.
didn't
What? Okay. Okay. What does it mean by settle? I have no idea. Come on, tell me. What does it mean by settle?
it means one job that is
Okay.
full sec.
Okay.
Mm, minimum 20,000, 20K.
Minimum. Okay. 20,000 is enough for you? Sure? Are you sure?
No, starting, only starting.
Okay. Yeah, in the starting.
Uh, starting
I see.
salary 20.
Okay.
And after unlimited.
Yeah.
Unlimited.
Yes, definitely. Definitely.
Yes, that is
Definitely.
okay.
Because our requirement is very high. Our requirement are very high. You know,
Uh,
a human's requirements are very high all the time. Like whether you have earning 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, it doesn't matter.
20,000 not enough,
Yes.
but
Mhm. So, how long have you been learning English, Mr. Ram?
actually from my during college days also, but that time this English is not enough,
Mm-hmm.
uh, not sufficient that time. So
Mm-hmm.
present English is compulsory, so that is improve my communication skills also.
Mm-hmm.
Present I didn't attend any interviews because English problem.
I see.
That
So
time,
you are afraid to go to face the interview, isn't
yes,
it?
yes, yes, exactly.
Well, come on, don't afraid, sir. English is just English is just a language. You will learn. You will learn by working in a company. You will learn. You have basic English now. You can survive. You can interview. You can go for an interview, sir. Don't be sick like that. You're
So
wasting
this
your
is
time, I think so.
like interview, you and me.
Yes, you can assume me as an interviewer, and you are the candidate. I can
No,
ask you lots of questions if you want me to.
okay, no problem.
Okay, what kind of what kind of a software course have you completed?
Yeah, I completed a Pega course. That is one of the application tool. So present
Which
openings are lots of openings. Application
yes,
tool Pega.
yes.
Yes.
Okay, what does it mean by Pega, and what you can do with Pega?
Pega present nowadays each and every company uses Pega to develop web designing like applications,
Yes,
business
yes, yes.
process, BPM tool. That is a business
Yes,
process management tool.
I see.
Yeah, mainly uses is very uh, what in, very useful and
I
also
see. Okay, what is the difference between the Android developer and the software engineer? What is the difference between those tools?
is, this is also developing purpose, but
Mm.
main use is different from Android.
Yes, yes, I see.
When compared to Android, Pega
Mm-hmm.
is totally easy way
Mm-hmm.
to.
Mm-hmm.
hands.
Yes. 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 I see.
With some technical knowledge, Android, that is
Mhm.
also is there in Android, but this is drag and drop only, not coding, but
Only only drag and drop.
only drag and drop.
Yes, yes. So, I have seen, yes, I have seen that there is very lot of options available in the software field. So, can you please tell me the what kind of a software courses or application courses are available in the market for who wants to learn, who wants to go in the IT field? Do you have any idea about that?
No, actually, I don't know idea
Mhm.
about software industry, but actually, this is not my field. I completed my graduation in BSc Computer Science, but after
Yeah.
completing my graduation, so I didn't get any experience in software field. But
Yes, yes.
one of my friends suggested me to
Hmm.
complete this course, then you definitely get job. So that's why I complete my course. Just 1 week back, I completed my course. Nowadays, I
Hmm.
am attending interviews, so that is
Hmm.
some. That's why I didn't attend the interviews.
Okay, how long it took you to complete that course?
Only 3 months.
3 months.
Months completed. Yeah.
And how long it took you to complete your BSc in what's your degree? Hello.
Yeah, 2013 year completed.
Okay,
Now
what's your degree, sir? What? Yeah, what's your degree? Bachelor in
BSc Computer Science. Computer Science.
bachelor in how long it took you to? It took you 3 years, isn't it?
Yes, 3 years.
Yes, I see. Well, you have degree, you have completed degree, you have spent your precious 3 year, and still you need something to get a job. Look, this is our industry. This is our industry. Look, you have completed, you have spent your 3 year to complete your degree, bachelor in science. Okay, and now you need something like you have spent 3 more months to get a good job, new job. So what did
Yes.
you learn? What did you learn in past 3 years, sir? What
Uh,
about what was that? What was that thing that you have learned in last year, past 3 years? It's worthless.
no, no. It's
Uh,
worthwhile. Last 3 years, past 3 years, I
yes,
have done my two jobs. That
yes,
is HR in construction field also, and
yes, yes, yes.
Vodafone store in data entry operator.
I see. Well, what happened? What happened here in our Indian education system? That our industry needs something else, and our syllabus are different. They are
Yes,
not matching.
not
So
matching.
they are not matching. They are not relevant to each other. They are not relevant to each other. After completing degree, you need something. You need some skill to get a job in corporate field.
Yes,
This is our industry, yeah. And most of the thing, whatever we are learning in the college, those are only theoretical, not practical.
yes, exactly.
So whatever you're going to learn after the college degree or whatever it is, you will get the real knowledge in the corporate field. This is our college system. This is our school system. So it's
Oh,
completely
different.
unworthy, different,
Yes,
unworthy, without unworthy. It's
and
unworthy completely. What do you, what do you think? Are you agree with me, Mr. Ram?
yeah, I agree. Totally, during college days is different, and after complete graduation, outside is totally different. They are
Yes,
not
but
compared.
still, big company need the graduate people.
Yes, that is one of the only qualification purpose, graduation.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Anyway,
but
this is the harsh reality. This is the harsh and hard reality of